Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to turn off contact syncing on WhatsApp so your phone book isn't automatically shared or updated with the app. This easy process takes less than a minute, and it gives you more control over your personal information. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the main Settings app. This is where all your account and backup settings are managed. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Accounts and Backup. Tap on it. Inside this menu, your phone lists every account currently signed in things like Google, WhatsApp, or other connected apps. Now select Manage Accounts. From here, look for WhatsApp in the list and tap on it. This opens WhatsApp's account-specific options, where you can adjust what kind of data syncs with your phone. Once you're on the WhatsApp account screen, tap Sync Account. You'll see several toggles here, but the one we're focusing on is Sync Contacts. This feature automatically keeps your device's contacts synced with WhatsApp, meaning anytime you add or remove a number from your phone, it updates within the app too. To turn it off, simply switch the Sync Contacts option to the off position. That's it, contact syncing is now disabled. Your WhatsApp will no longer pull new contacts from your phone or upload changes back to it. Disabling this setting won't delete your existing WhatsApp chats or contacts already visible in the app. It simply stops the automatic updating process, giving you the power to manually control who appears in your WhatsApp contact list. If you ever want to turn syncing back on, just follow the same steps and toggle sync contacts back to the on position. Quick, simple, and effective, that's all it takes to manage your WhatsApp contact syncing in 2025. Take a moment to make the change and enjoy more privacy and control over your data. Thanks for watching.